Okay, busy day today. Leaving a little late. Took some time to edit the vlog, get some sleep since I got in real late. But it is now time to go. Okay, so here we are in Green River, starting out the day. I actually stayed in that hotel right there. That was one of my rooms down there. But here's the supercharger, got 4 stalls. Got a giant watermelon. I guess that's for like parades and stuff. Then here's like a little visitor center. There's actually some bathrooms right in there, should you ever need it. But I actually charged here last night, so I don't need to charge here this morning. I just want to actually get some good daylight footage for you guys. I decided to just charge before I went to bed. That way, when I woke up, I was good to go. And also, your battery actually charges faster and better once it's already heated. It doesn't have to heat up or anything. So without further ado, let's see where we end up next.
Destination is on the left.
Okay, we are at another Holiday Inn. But this one I'm actually just here mainly for a photo. I'm doing my 360 photos, so that's basically why we're here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that photo quick.
Don't say you're on the road to the other side, my love.
Okay, on to the next supercharger. Beaver was just a very quick stop, and I'm doing that a lot on this road trip, especially going out there, just so I can hit up as many superchargers as I can.
Reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Okay, I am here in St. George, Utah. You can see I was just droning over there, really pretty. But I just unplugged too because we were getting ready to leave. And there was a red Tesla there for a little while, but yeah, quite a lot of stalls. There's a Starbucks right there. So you can go use the restroom if you would like, but it's time to get back on the road. I'm actually gonna stop now just south of Las Vegas. And then on the way back, hopefully I'll hit up the north side of Las Vegas so that way I can hit everything up.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try.
Okay, so we just left South Vegas Supercharger, and I was originally gonna head to Prim, but decided to charge a little bit longer, so I'll hit Prim on the way back. But we're gonna go to Baker. So Baker is actually one of the biggest superchargers in the US. It's got 40 stalls. It's only like 80 miles away from here, so not really that bad of a drive at all. I just pulled into South Vegas at like, I don't know, like 10%, so I had to just top up just a little bit to make it to the next one. Wow, we got all these stalls to myself and one other Tesla. Which one do we pick? I don't know, let's drive it around. Wow, that's real cool. Let's go pull through. I've never been to a pull through stall before. Ooh, this is really exciting. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna pull through. We're gonna do it. It's a little tight. Yeah. It's a little tight. And we're just gonna pull right on through. Let's go plug in. Oh my God, it's hot. Wish there was a way to show you guys how hot it is here, but there's not. So, and we're green. Look at the damage though. We've got bird poop, and there's more bird poop. Okay, so this will actually be my last supercharge to get to Hawthorne. I chose this one obviously because it's massive, so that's why we are here. It's got some amenities over there from the Shell gas station. I think this is actually labeled as a Shell supercharger. So I don't know, maybe Shell had something to do with paying to put it in. Maybe.
Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
Okay, ending vlogs in a hotel room seems actually kind of fitting now. But anyway, today is over. I actually went and was able to charge at the Hawthorne Supercharger. However, there's a lot going on at SpaceX right now, so I had to kind of go a back way to get to it, but I got to it, got charging. That's all that really matters. And then I actually went and washed my car, so it looks all nice for tomorrow's event, which I'm really excited about. It's kind of like the last time people will really be able to enjoy the green car. So I wanted to make sure it looked good. But yeah, I guess that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. It's a lot of travel. I'm pretty exhausted. I've been traveling for 14 hours now, so going on little. So need to edit this, and then I'll probably finish it tomorrow morning, and then yeah, busy day tomorrow. Busy day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it though. If you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a newer inventory, Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website, and in a little iCard up there. And if you using that will actually get you free unlimited supercharging for the life you own your car, which is great, especially when you're doing road trips like this. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Flamethrower.
We gon' burn the whole